specific directions were issued at the last hearing date to today. And that is to deal with the issues of the landowners. And before we go any further into that, I will ask our counsel to take us through this morning. Thank you, counsel.
Commissioner, for today's purposes, Commissioner, we will be dealing with the leave applications filed by the various landowner groups. And essentially, what we will be doing today is for us to mention the various applications individually and ask the representatives as to whether the documentation that they have produced to the Commission is the full documentation that they that they wish to produce, or whether there is further documentation that they would still want to produce, and then have the applications extended or adjourned to next week, Thursday, that is the 8th of December 2022, for hearing. So without any further ado, Commissioner, if I could just mention the first agenda item, that is agenda item number 1, which is leave application number 6, filed by the Nenehi Laurina ILG of Tatana Village, which is designated or styled as leave application number 6. If I could invite or call the chairman, namely Mr. No Gagawa Gaigo, to attend at the bar table and enter his appearance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Commissioner.
Good morning.
For the record, name is No, N-O-U.
Yes.
Surname is Gagoa, G-A-G-O-A. Gaigo is my grandfather's name. Thank you.
Yes.
Mr. Commissioner, through my advice from the legal counsel, we already filed our primary evidence. The previous affidavit was filed on the 10th February 2022, and the supporting affidavit was filed on the 25th 11 2022. Mr. Commissioner, through my legal counsel advice that we have to consolidate the both affidavit, and he will do the proper submission for me to present. Therefore, I may seek this Honorable Commission for a date, set date, so my submission can be prepared and be present on that set date. Thank you.
Thank you, counsel. You have anything?
Yes, Commissioner. So, Commissioner, if there's any further documents that Mr. Gagoa and his counsel need to produce, then we will seek a direction for the further documents to be produced or filed by Monday the 5th of December 2022 by close of business, that is by or before 4:06. And then Mr. Gagoa's application, or the application by Nenehi Laurina ILG, that is leave application number 6, can then be adjourned to Thursday, the 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Commissioner, we will settle the appropriate directions and have them issued to the various representatives. In this case, we will have the directions issued to Mr. Gagoa and his council.
Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Commissioner.
In light of the situation, as our council have stated, there will be an appropriate direction that will be issued when you return back. And therefore, in consideration to that, the Commission directs that leave application number 6 by Mr. No Gaigo, dated 6 September 2022, is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. Council, is that right?
That's correct.
For hearing.
Correct, Commissioner.
Thank you. That it is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. So that's the direction from the Commission, Mr. No Gagoa. I would also like to remind you that get your counsel to look at your submission when you return back on the 8th.
I will do so. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. That's in relation to leave application number 6. If Mr. Gagoa could be excused from the bar table.
Thank you, Mr. Gagoa, for your presence this morning. You're now going to be excused from the bar table.
Thank you.
Commissioner, I move on to the next item, which is agenda item number 2. That is leave application number 7, filed by the Araira Laurabada community of Tatana Araira village.
Yes.
If I could call on Mr. Guava is here.
Good morning, Mr. Commissioner.
Good morning.
For the record, Council's name is Goava, initials JS.
Yes.
I'm son and lawyers. I appear for the Araira Laurabada community of
Yes.
Tatana Araira village. It's leave application number 7. Mr. Commissioner, our position is that we will seek further adjournment to file a further affidavit, just to have some of the primary documents that were left out from the first, from my initial submission. I want to take this opportunity to have them filed within the time directed by the Commission.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Council?
Thank you, Commissioner. Yes, hence the direction for documents to be produced by next week, Monday, the 5th. We will ask for similar direction in this issue, in this application, Commissioner. And if the application could be adjourned to next week, Thursday, the 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing as well.
Thank you. As clearly stated by the council, the appropriate directions and the expectation of your submission that must come on time to the commission. And therefore, in consideration to that, the commission now directs that leave application number 7 by Laurabada Community, Tatana Village, dated 30 September 2022, is now further adjourned to 8th of September 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Again, dated is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Your Honor, may I, with due respect, have a clarification on the filing of the additional documents. Will that come on Monday? Should we file on Monday?
You asking for the clarification
Yeah.
on what?
On the submission of the primary documents. I believe we have to file by Monday.
Yes, Council?
Yes.
Yes, Commissioner, that is the position.
Okay.
It's a uniform direction we're seeking for all the applications.
That settles that question.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Mr. Commissioner.
You cannot be excused from the
I
basket.
have no further matters. May be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Yeah.
I make mention of item number 3, that is leave application number 8 by Inahi Incorporated Land Group, registered ILG number 1153, which is leave application number 8. Council representing the ILGs here. I'll allow him to enter his appearance.
Thank you.
Commissioner, please. Good morning, Commissioner,
Good morning.
and colleagues on the other side. For court records, I am making representation for item number 3, and Commissioner, after consultation this morning again, we just decided to seek further adjournment to file an affidavit of search, just pending maybe after this session, we'll file it this afternoon or latest tomorrow morning. And also, we just did some few changes, amendments on the submission. So we will be filing a submission, amended submission, as an additional information to the first submission we submitted earlier on. So, yeah. Otherwise, this is what we are here to inform the Commission and this team. Thank you.
Thank you, Council.
Yes, Commissioner, if that could be done by Monday, the 5th of December.
Thank you. That's the appropriate direction that will be issued to you. And in addition to that, in consideration to that, the Commission now directs that leave application number 8 by Inahi Incorporated Land Group, registration ILG number 1153, dated 4th October 2022, is now further adjourned to 8 December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Dated is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Yes, if I may.
Thank you for your presence this morning. Can be excused from the bar table.
Thank you, Commissioner. I move on to item number 4 on the list, which is leave application number 9, filed by Ikupu Gavera and Namuria Horsberg of the Laurina clan of Tatana village.
Yes.
Commissioner, I am not sure if there's any representative present this morning in relation to this leave application. Nevertheless, Commissioner, we will seek the same directions for this application and ask if this could be adjourned to the 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing as well. Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you. I'm satisfied with that, Council. And therefore, in consideration to that, the Commission now directs that leave application number 9 by the Lorena clan of Tatana Village, dated 18th of October 2022, is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Again, dated this first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Please, the Commission. I refer to item number 5 on the list, which is leave application number 10, filed by the Kaivaga ILG Sasiva, who's represented by Chief Haraka Borema.
Thank you.
Commissioner, name Haraka Borema, Chief Haraka Borema, Chairman Kaiwa ILG, Sasiwa. Commissioner, my counsel is not here at the moment, so this can be adjourned, please.
Thank you. The situation is this: when you come, the Commission would like to make sure that you are prepared when you come for the hearing. Just a reminder, get yourself in order. That's the message when you come. There's no one required. Yes, Council.
Yes, Commissioner, if similar directions could be given in this, in relation to this application as well, and set it for hearing on the 8th of December 2022. Thank you.
Thank you. In consideration to that, and similarly along with the others, the Commission directs that leave application number 10 by Chief Haraka Borema, Chairman of Kaivaga ILG, dated 18 October 2022, is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing, dated this first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council. And thank you for your participation this morning. You can now be excused from the bar table.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please, the Commission, I move on to item number 6, which is leave application number 11, filed by the Tanamotu clan of Baruni Village. Mr. Gaudure is the representative for this clan.
Good morning, Commissioner.
Good morning.
Commissioner, for records, name is Gaudi Ray,
Yes.
Chairman of Tanamotu Clan of Baruli.
Yeah.
Mr. Commissioner, as the briefing given by the councils assisting, our affidavits actually filed on the 19th.
Yes.
We did some file search, and we feel that we should be actually, there's some documents that we want to file as additional affidavit or a supplementary affidavit, which we feel the commission, we should file to this commission. We therefore actually, like other directions been given. We will be actually making the documents available before close of business on Monday with our submissions. Thank you, Mr. Gao.
Council?
No objections, Commissioner. If similar directions in relation to the production of documents could be given, and also in terms of having the matter agenda to the 8th of December 2022 for hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. The similar direction, but you need to submit by close of business on Monday. It's now directed. And therefore, similarly, in light of that, with the others, the Commission directs that leave application number 11 by Mr. Gaudi Ray of Tanamotu Clan, Baroni Village, dated 19 October 2022, is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Dated is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you. Council?
Thank you, Commissioner.
You can now be excused from the bar table. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. I make mention of item number 7 on the list, which is leave application number 12, filed by Mr. Kennedy Kevin, the land chief of the Naurina clan. Mr. Kevin is here, so if I could invite him to enter his appearance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, Honorable Commissioner,
Good morning.
Council's Assistant. If it pleases the Commission, I state my name for the record.
Yes.
My name is Kennedy Kevin, the next of kin, Land Chief of Karen. I stand on behalf of myself and all direct descendants of Igorasian of Naurina clan, Tatana village. Honorable Commissioner, as per the Commission's direction, I've submitted my submission and all relevant documents to support my submission. But I wish to submit further documents for more clarification, if Commission pleases.
Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Council, you want to respond to that?
Commissioner, if similar directions could be given for the production of documents and the adjournment of the matter for hearing to the 8th of December.
Yes. Similarly, in light with the others, the additional document you need to submit as per the appropriate directions, closer business. And in addition to that, the Commission directs that leave application number 12 by yourself, Mr. Kennedy Kevin, Land Chief of Naurina clan, Tatana village, is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Dated is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. If Mr. Kevin could be excused.
Mr. Kevin, you can be excused from the bar table. Thank you for your presence this morning.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Commissioner, the last item, item number 8, is leave application number 13, which was filed by Mr. Nigel Mark Jones of Tatana Village. Commissioner, I understand Mr. Jones is online. If I could invite or ask Mr. Jones to enter his appearance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Commissioner and the Council's Assistant.
Good morning.
Good morning. For the records, my name is Nigel Mark Jones, representing
Yes.
the Jones family. I just want to know from the Council Assistant if my councillor representing me has attended. If he could please tell him to appear on the bar table.
Yes.
His name is Mr. John Sebi.
Commissioner, I'm not sure if council representing Mr. Jones is present this morning. He doesn't seem to be
Do
around.
we have the council representing Mr. Jones?
So, sorry, Mr. Jones, what's his name again?
John Sebi.
John Sebi?
You have any John Sandy here?
Commissioner, he's not present.
He's not here.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeah, Mr. Commissioner, I just want to know if I could be allowed just a few minutes to do a verbal submission, or I also need some time to submit further documents, and if I could also be deferred to December 8th on Thursday.
We'll get council to respond to that, council.
No objections, Commissioner. If there's any further documentation that Mr. Jones wishes to file or produce to the Commission, then we will ask for similar directions for those documents to be filed by close of business on the 5th of December 2022.
Sorry.
That is Monday, the 5th of December, for the production of further documents, sir.
Thank you, council. Mr. Jones, you are at liberty to produce all those documents at the close of business on the 5th of December. That is on Monday.
Sorry, Mr. Commissioner, I asked for the 8th of December, Thursday.
That will be the adjournment period to the 8th, but the requirement that you
okay.
put your submission is at the close of business on the 5th
Oh, okay.
for
Yes.
additional information.
Yes. Yeah.
You get that?
Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, Mr. Commissioner.
Okay, thank you. Council?
That's the position, Commissioner, if directions could be given in those terms.
Yes, I'm satisfied with that, and therefore, in consideration to that, the appropriate direction to submit put your submission at the close of business on the 5th is now being
Yes.
directed. And in addition to that, the commission, in considering that, leave application number 13 by Mr. Michael Mark Jones of Tatana Village dated 16 November 2022 is now further adjourned to 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Again, dated is first day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Commissioner, and thank you, Council.
Thank you for your presence this morning. We hope to get all those information in by the close of business on the 5th. Thank you. Council?
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. Commissioner, those are all the matters for this morning. If there's no other matters, I ask that the proceedings be adjourned to the 5th? The 8th. Proceedings be adjourned to the 8th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Council. Until we return back on the 8th, and just a reminder that these appropriate directions that the Commission need as per your submission must be complied with to allow time for us to have a look at the document before the 8th of December. I want to specifically mention that because our timeline is getting closer to end this commission of inquiry, and therefore it is imperative that we need to work together, get all those submissions in to allow time for the commission or the councils to have a look at, so that we are prepared on the 8th of December. We don't have much time. We're in the peak period of Christmas. A lot of things are happening. Look after yourself until we return back on the 8th of December. With that, as our council have suggested, we don't have any other matters to deal with this morning. I'll now call on the associate to adjourn all the hearing to the 8th of December, while at the same time all those appropriate direction must be complied with until we return back. Thank you.
All right. November now stands adjourned.